Section 6. Successful brands on Twitter. In this lecture, we will cover 5 successful brands on Twitter, which are as follows: JetBlue Airways, Whole Foods Market, Staples US, Dell, and American Red Cross. JetBlue Airways. JetBlue responds quickly to customer service questions on Twitter. They don't take any days off and are there to help at any time. If your brand is going to go on Twitter for customer service, it's important to be committed. They are going where their customers are and being able there to help them, not to help themselves by constantly pushing press releases. JetBlue is promoting their brand by having great customer service. It's a win-win situation. Customers get service on Twitter, while JetBlue publicly displays their quick and responsive service. Whole Foods Market. Whole Foods is there to provide value in any way possible. It appears that their goal is not to increase sales by using Twitter, but to serve customers. Be there to give your audience value in the niche that you serve. If you sell nutritional supplements, offer health advice and put useful content on your site that you can link to. If you sell clothes, offer some of the latest fashion trends. Any business can provide value without having to sell something. Staples US. Staples uses Twitter to gather customer feedback and support. Many brands like Staples get the information they hear from customers on Twitter and report it to others in the company. This helps them better understand their customer, which when used effectively can improve a product. See if it's possible to implement a strategy like this in your company. Dell. Dell has multiple Twitter accounts. It's important that if you want to constantly promote and offer sales on Twitter, you should consider making a separate Twitter handle for it. They don't force customer service, advertising and general Dell news all on one account. Be organised so you can give customers a choice on what to follow or who to tweet, and if it's right for your brand. American Red Cross. Find your voice and remain authentic to that on Twitter. Don't forget why you started your company in the first place. Stay true to it on Twitter by providing value for the follower. Give them information that they can use. By giving them this useful information, you could become the thought leader and the first place people go when they are in the market for what you're selling.